Hello everyone. We have entered the third round of the Bird Dogs Golf Shop Summer Cup 2026, which means it's time for Quail Hollow Club in North Carolina. Quail Hollow Club was established over 67 years ago in 1959. The private member club opened the now famous golf course in 1961. George Cobb, known for designing numerous golf courses throughout the southeast, was the architect of Quail Hollow's 18 holes. As time passed, the course would receive many modifications and improvements, most notably by Arnold Palmer and Tom Fazio. Quail Hollow has been the host of many events. Some highlights include the Kemper Open from 1969 to 1979, the World Seniors Invitational from 1983 to 1989, the Truist Championship from 2003 to present, the President's Cup in 2022, and the PGA Championship in 2017 and 2025. Now sit back, relax, and enjoy the course flyover. That concludes our flyover of Quail Hollow Club. Round 3 of the Bird Dogs Summer Cup starts Thursday, April 29th and will end Wednesday, May 13th. Congrats to James on shooting a 75 in Round 2 at Hazeltine National. Our current points leader is Ethan with 2,550 points. Thank you to everyone who participated in Round 2. We look forward to seeing you again in Round 3. If you enjoyed our look at Quail Hollow Club, please consider leaving a like and subscribing to the channel to see more course flyovers in the future. Thank you again for watching, and have a wonderful day.